These are two AI approaches. Both of them work. Both of them have pros and cons. The question is, are you even ready to make an AI transformation? All right, so your business is going to have to choose at some point between a self-managed AI solution or a guided professional setup and a professional deployment. Okay? Two benefits of doing it yourself. Of course, the most obvious one is there's lower upfront cost. I guess it could be said that there's a benefit where you can experiment faster. I've heard people talk about that. I don't really see that point of view as being valid, because if you're not a professional and you're experimenting, you might be moving along quickly, but are you moving along quickly on the right path? Are you experimenting with the right things, or are you just wasting time? Now, the do-it-yourself risks, tremendous amount of integration confusion. Odds are you don't know what you're doing. And please don't take it the wrong way, but if you're not a professional, you don't know what you're doing. There's going to be a lack of monitoring. There's going to be a lack of ability to test properly and determine what's working, what's not. And there's going to certainly be a limitation on scalability. And a really important one is, I don't want you to be misled. When you're doing an AI transformation and you're setting up AI agents, regardless of what platform you're using, you do need to understand coding. You need to understand, everything is built on code, and you need to understand the skills that you're building and the integrations and the APIs. At a certain point, if you try to do it yourself, you are going to run into a wall and you're going to end up calling somebody. The question is, do you want to focus on your business, and do you want to focus on growth and on your team and on what you should be focusing on? Or do you want to go down rabbit holes of the do-it-yourself, ultimately resulting in having to call a professional anyway? So this is important for you to decide.